My class knows I'm crazy for something. And then we have to see that cyber boy right there. Come on, my man got a vet, cyber, ram, okay? You're gonna go straight. And I like to show my young lions, my young warriors, this area and just put positivity into them, because if you're a negative person, leave this channel, okay? We're about positivity, and even one thing I learned from you, be positive. Life is too short. We don't have time to play around. Okay, he's gonna go up and check traffic. You're gonna make a right turn. Truck, 100K. Come on, man. We not mad. We not mad. Go straight. And then you're gonna make a right turn on this street. Either you're gonna go before the lady or after the lady. So I'm letting him make up his mind. We have our blinker on. Good. She pulled the dog back. Make that beautiful right turn. Wave at her. Say thank you. Yeah. See. That's beautiful. Okay, we got something going on. You're gonna see some other houses who are going down to the water. So I try to teach my young lions, my young warriors, you know, scan your environment, you know, be safe. You know, sometimes people hate because your color, nationality, religion. It's no hate here, okay? I accept all people. I've driven all nationalities, races, religions of people. They all want to work hard. We all want nice things. We don't have time for hate, none of that. So you pick a driveway, brother, and turn around. I'm letting him make the decision, okay? You're gonna see a nice little pool there. Yeah, pause right here. Man trying to go up in the backyard. we on Ring doorbell. We on cameras. I want you to see him back up. He backing up. He looking. He turning. This is real skills. Don't get on that grass, bro. You know, my grandma like, get off people's grass. Don't get on grass. We already know. Yes, sir. I'm smiling. That's beautiful, man. Go get it, brother. So I love to see that and just work this skill set. This is something you can't teach. I try to get my students in an environment where they have to be successful. At the street, make a right turn after you yield. And I don't know how many of you, if you're over 25 or 30, if you've seen a yield sign, put yes in the chat. Yes, okay? She got the dog on the leash, the dog pulling her. Good, squeeze those brakes and look slow and stay to the middle left away from her. Yes. All right, go get it, bro. Dog happy, she happy. Okay, we're going to make a right turn on this street. This is more of the same. Fundamentals. Working fundamentals. Turns, 3-point turnarounds, backing up. And if you notice, he's getting better and better and better. Yes, E, you already know. He putting in this work. Okay, little driver said real estate channel. She in the Tesla. Oh, she got 2 of those boys in the garage, old one and a new one. All right, I want you to see him turn. See, I'm gonna let him pick, decide which one, and he's making a judgment. I'm letting him make the decision. And for safety's sake, I do have to cover the brake, because if he hits that gas, we'll be in the water. And your man cannot swim. But I will jump out of this car so quick. Okay, he's backing up. I want you to see this. He's looking behind him. Yes, do that turn, turning that wheel. Love that. This man getting good. Keep driving, brother. Good. And you want to act like you belong here. We acting like we belong here, okay? Always. And then we continue on straight. Yes, we want to succeed. We always want to talk about success. After you yield, make a right turn. Because if no one puts that into your brain, and you don't see successful people, you won't know what success is. Nice turn. Go straight down to the stop sign. After you stop, make a right. So I see him mastering this area. This has helped his steering. He's better on speed control. He's looking left. Look, no, we done. Go straight. See, I already programmed here. No, we done. You mastered it. We're going on to the next task. He's going to make a right turn. Now we're going to go to a really busy downtown area. Little kids, bikinis, boys with no shirt on. We're going to go around there probably 4 times. You take your time. If you feel like you can squeeze in, fine. If not, wait. I'm letting you make the decision. And that's what good instructors do. Congratulations. Make a decision. Go get it, brother. Go straight. Take it down. It's 45 through here, then it drops to 35. I'm blessed because when I have drivers like this, it's really blessing. Yes, this is true. Cruise about 45 because the next time the speed limit drops to 35, I don't want you to get a speeding ticket. Typically, the police hide just when the speed limit changes from 45 to 35, and then they got you at 10 over. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but I did see a police officer on YouTube yesterday. She was nice. She wasn't always giving people tickets.